Instant Vortex Plus showing E2. Fix this sensor error fast. If your Instant Vortex Plus won't start and shows an E2 error, that means the internal temperature sensor has shorted. Here's how to clear the error or confirm if the unit needs service. Step 1. Unplug and let the unit cool. Start by unplugging the fryer and giving it at least 30 minutes to cool down completely. If the unit overheated or experienced a power surge, a full reset can clear the error and restore sensor function. Step 2. Check for moisture in the basket chamber. Moisture inside the chamber can interfere with the temperature sensor. Remove the basket and check for steam buildup or condensation under the heating element. Wipe down the interior with a dry cloth, especially around the upper metal housing. Step 3. Plug directly into a wall outlet. Skip the surge protector or extension cord. E2 errors can happen if the unit doesn't get stable power. Plug it directly into a grounded wall outlet and make sure the connection is firm. No flicker, no wiggle. Step 4. Clean around the heating element carefully. If there's grease buildup around the coil, it can trap heat and affect the sensor. Use a soft, angled brush to gently clear any cooked-on oil or crumbs near the top element. I use a heat-safe cleaning brush that's narrow enough to reach tight spots without damaging anything. Step 5. Contact support if E2 stays on. If the E2 message shows up again after doing these steps, the sensor may have shorted permanently or the wiring is damaged. That's not fixable from the outside. Contact instant support using the link in the description. If this helped you troubleshoot the E2 error and figure out what's wrong, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a safe way to clean around the coil without scratching the housing, I've linked the cleaning brush I use below. It works great for tight angles and stubborn buildup. Thanks for watching, and keep it clean.